Para po sa inyong PBA Friday, bakbakan po ito ng Alaska at ng Ginebra. Mga bida po natin dito sa third quarter. Para po sa Ginebra, you have Bozeman, Wilson, Hatfield, Kagiwa, and Ababu. Para naman po sa Alaska, you have Forte, Tenorio, Baguio, Baracael, and Thos.
Well, Will Wilson being used here as an import defender. And sure enough, so si Jason Forte nagdadala ng bola dito for Alaska.
Forte nasupalpal dito ni Rudy Hatfield. Hatfield na-save yung bola. Sabi ni referee Peter Balao, stepping on the baseline.
Well, lucky break there for Barangay Ginebra, even though the ball will go back to Alaska because that ball was swatted right into the hands of Thos. He was in scoring position. And let's see kung tumindi ang depensa dito ng Barangay Ginebra. They are capable of playing good defense.
Pero ang Alaska naman, they're capable of playing good offense. Pinakita ni Mac Baracael doon. 48 Alaska, 34 naman ang Ginebra.
Masakit yun.
Sakit na masakit yun.
Yes, because that shot came from a high percentage position. Anytime you're able to get a shot off inside the painted area, close to the basket,
Parang,
more or less, parang pasok na yun.
parang pinadaan lang nila si Baracael doon sa shaded area. Meantime, Wilson nakuha yung rebound. They get a fresh 24. Kagiwang magtitimon dito sa Barangay Ginebra. 16 on the shot clock. Kagiwa. Kick out to Ababu. Ababu. Back to Kagiwa. Kagiwa. Pasok for the spar.
Well, that's a nice ball movement on the part of Barangay Ginebra. A lot of touches on that sequence. But what made that play possible? Dylan Ababu penetrating, drawing the defense, and then kicking out to a wide open Mark Kagiwa. That's what you need. Sharing the basketball, selfless basketball, and good ball movement.
Pero yung puntos ni Kagiwa, sinagot agad dito ni Mac Baracael, making the score 50-36. Angat muli sa 14 ang abante ng Alaska. 15 on the shot clock para sa Barangay Ginebra. Wilson, 15-foot jumper. Pasok po ni Wilson. Pero Ginebra, kinito, hindi pwede makipagpalitan na ng basket dito sa larong ito.
Totoo yan. That's why they need to play tough defense. But you're seeing more organization ngayon sa opensa ng Barangay Ginebra. They're sharing the ball inside 2 points here.
Too easy.
Yeah,
Too easy for Santos. Wala man lang kabangga-bangga from Ginebra.
And you know, it's not a matter of defending the inside 2 points, but you need to be able to defend the guy who's delivering from the outside. So that means Cyrus Baguio, there must be pressure on him.
Meantime, Alaska. Tenorio pinasa dito kay Forte. Forte underneath the basket. Mintis! At nakuha ni Hatfield ang rebound. Ngayon naman, puntahan natin si Sel Guevara tungkol sa report dito kay, sa Barangay Ginebra.
Yes, Chicky, you know what? The Ginebra Kings may be down, but you see a calm and collected team coming up from the dugout in the arena. And the usual fiery Coach Shot Tankinson just told me that they just have to stay positive, slow down, and that's because they're doing so many things at the same time. So let's see if this works for them. Balik sa inyo.
Maraming salamat, Sel. Gusto ko yung sinabi ni Sel. Calm but fiery. Hindi ka natataranta. At ngayon, ang Ginebra, they're only down by 12 points. The aggressiveness is there. Kita natin kay Bozeman. Again, the Aces are out of contention. Pero dito sa larong ito, pinahihirapan nila ang Barangay Ginebra na kinakailangang manalo rito para umabot or maganda ang chance nila umabot sa next round. 2 out of 2 misses coming from Bozeman.
And that's gonna hurt because naghahabol dito ang Barangay Ginebra. They need every point they can get.
Kung calm at fiery naman po ang Barangay Ginebra, alamin natin anong nasagap ni Sel dito sa kampo ng Alaska Aces.
Chicky, dito naman sa kampo nga ng Alaska, no? Very calm, and as usual, hindi naman mainit ng ulo ni Coach Luigian. Sabi lang niya na, let's just keep playing Alaska basketball.
Maraming salamat, Sel. Habang yung nakita po ninyo, that's Barangay Ginebra basketball with Mark Kagiwa leading the attack. Chista lang ang inahabol ng Barangay.
But nababanggit natin kanina how important it is to put pressure in the backcourt. Si Bozeman ngayon ang tumatao kay Elec Tenorio. And Mark Kagiwa playing tough defense at Baguio.
Habang si Baracael, dinepensahan dito ni Ababu but they'll call a foul on Dylan Ababu.
2 former Gilas players going up against each other.
Iniikot talaga, no? Yung bantayan because kanina, Mac Baracael doing well also inside the paint. para po sa PXC Bantamweight Championship sa July 14 po yan alas 7 ng gabi sa Inares Sports Arena, Pasig City at eksklusibo po yan via satellite naman sa Active ng 9 p.m. Tickets are available at SM Tickets 470-2222 o sa Ticket World 891-9999. PXC, dito lang po yan sa Active. 9 on the shot clock for Ginebra. Bozeman, malakas yung kanyang tira. Pero yung
Someone
follow up, tira na bago yan. Ganito.
Babu, yes. Off the glass. Second chance opportunity. Offensive rebound yun. Ito, kumahabol na, no? Ang Barangay Ginebra, they've managed to bring this lead down to just a single digit. Nice
Nasugutan
defense
pa.
by Rudy Hatfield.
Good run here being shown by Barangay Ginebra. Bozeman, umatake muli.
Hindi pumasok.
But Hatfield with a rebound.
Minamala si Bozeman. Nandun na. Hindi na pumapasok.
Pasalamat siya kay Rudy Hatfield. Ano?
Well, this guy is Mr. Cleanup. Rudy Hatfield always there for the trail job. Offensive rebound.
Alam ko, Mr. Clean yung sinasabihin. May up pala yun.
Oh, yun.
Mr. Clean up.
Mahirap naman yung Mr. Clean.
Kasi tawag sa akin eh.
Yeah, oh, tama. Oh. Yung mga shave and scald, yun ang mga Mr. Clean.
Makauri ko.
Nako! 0 out of 2 by Rudy Hatfield. At kanina, 0 out of 2 then for Bozeman.
Pero wag ko kayong kukurap. Siyam na lang po ang hinahabol dito ng Barangay Ginebra. 53-44. Coach Luigi Trillo tumawag ng timeout. Magbabalik po ang inyong PBA.
At kanina nakita natin si Topex Robinson who is in the coaching staff ng Alaska. Siya pong head coach ng San Sebastian.
Bukas na po yan yung pinakahihintay ninyong oldest collegiate tournament. Tama ba dito?
Okay, si Enrico Villanueva is there now for the post defense. They don't want Sonny Toss to get off those shots at the post.
Nabantayan nila si Sanitos, pero hindi naman nila binaksaw itong si Jason Forte. So kung sa kabila may Rudy Hatfield in cleaning up the mess, dito naman si Jason Forte doing the same role para sa Alaska Aces. 14 nasa shot clock po dito ng Alaska. They're up by 9. Forte ang nasa punta ng bola. Binalik dito kay Tenorio.
Again, it's Bozeman on Tenorio. Nako, nice defense there by Willie Wilson. That's what he's known for. And looks like Ginebra ball.
Yung import defender, na Willie Wilson. Stood his ground. Inintay magkamali si Jason Forte. Turnover para sa Alaska. Ngayon naman atake dito ng Ginebra. Ababu against Tenorio. Umaatras. Ababu. Pasok.
yes.
Forte rin Ababu.
Nice post move against a much smaller guy. Good mismatch created by Dylan Ababu.
7 na lang ang hinahabol dito ng Barangay Ginebra. 53-46. Approaching the halfway mark of the third.
At by the way, may bagong papasok
Oo.
for Barangay Ginebra. Si Nino Canaleta, KG. Hindi pa nga naglalaro yan, no?
Habang sa kabilang panig naman, Kelly naman ng the Alaska Aces.
So two players didn't play in the first half are now on the floor. Gelig at saka si Canaleta.
Balik na rin sa ating laro si RJ Hazul and Gabi Espinas. Pinaltan si Sonny Foss at itong si LA Tenorio. 5 on the shot clock for Alaska. Gelig, 3 to shoot. Umatake. Gelig, pasok for Nino Gelig, beating the buzzer.
That's a tough shot for a guy who just checked in and didn't even play a second sa first half.
At muli siya ang kalamangan ng Alaska, 55-46. They go to Kagiwa against Gelig, 10 to shoot. Oh, Villanueva, ginamit ang kaliwa. May foul pa. Nakakuha si Rico Villanueva. Ito yung pasahan ng Ginebra.
Exactly. Ito,
The fluid motion.
Halatang-halata natin ang malaking pagbabago sa opensa ng Barangay Ginebra. That time, nice pass coming from Kagiwa. That was from the post position. And then, you call that something like a random cut on the part of Enrico Villanueva. Hindi pumasok yung kanyang free throw.
At doon pumapasok yung leadership ni Mark Kagiwa. He has 13 points. Pero alam niya kung kailan niya ibibigay sa mga kampi niya. Kung kailan niya i-involve ang ibang Kings. Meantime, atake naman po ng Alaska rito. 9 on the shot clock. Forte. Wala.
Shot was bothered. Yung alteration, kitang-kita na natin. Ginagawa ng Barangay Ginebra defense. And there's transition 2 points. That's what Ginebra to do. They like to run and gun. After a good play on defense, then they run on the other side.
15 for Mark Aguila. Making well of that pass coming from Bozeman. Lima na lang po hinahabol ng Ginebra. 55-50 ang ating score dito po sa third quarter. 6 to shoot for Alaska. 4 na atake depensa ni Wilson. Tugeling at the corner. Wala. At kung anong nangyari sa Ginebra noong second quarter o noong first quarter, ganoon naman ang nangyayari dito sa Alaska. Bozeman to Canaleta. Canaleta, umatake, one-hander, wala, nakuha ang rebound. One more time for Nino Canaleta. Ginebra kumakatok sa pintuan ng Alaska. 55-52. They're dito sa third after a listless start noong first half, down by 13. Ngayon, they're down by 3 points na lang.
At hindi na nagpapapasok yung mga tira ng Alaska. Take a look at that drive by Bozeman all the way home. That's aggressiveness for you.
12 na po for Bozeman. Isa na lang hinahabol ng Ginebra. 55-54. 2 minuto na hong hindi nakakashoot dito ang Alaska Aces.
Pansinin natin, no? Ang gumagwardya ngayon kay Forte is Bozeman. And Willie Wilson has really earned his minutes here playing defense. At dyan nakabalik ang Barangay Ginebra through defense. And that's the reason kung bakit hanggang ngayon nandun pa si Willie Wilson sa loob ng court. Di siya pinapalitan ni Coach Shot Tangkinsen. He brings that defensive intensity to the team.
Habang yung mga kakampi niya, kayo na bahala umiscore. Ako babantay dito sa import. Meantime, Baguio for 3. Wala. Bozeman with a rebound.
Oh, what an authoritative rebound. One-hander.
Kalawit rebound. On the other side, wala kay Bozeman. Sunto dito ni Kagiwa. Pero hindi na kompleto yung steal. But you like the energy now of Ginebra.
Yeah.
Ito na ang Barangay Ginebra na kilala ng mga fans ng PBA. 3:45 to go dito po sa third. Alaska 55, Ginebra 54. Baguio. Hindi siya lang nakuha ni Eman. Eman, wala pa rin. Bozeman pa rin sa rebound. Nakaw-play. Sundot ni LA Teorio. But the crowd of Ginebra dahan-dahang nabubuhay dito sa loob ng Smart Araneta Coliseum.
Remember, Ginebra was down by 17 at one point.
Laki nun.
Oo.
Talagang ang hinabol dito ng Ginebra. Ang kalamangan ng Alaska. 14 on the shot clock. Nagiwang may taka ng bola. To Villanueva. Rico, nasupalpal. Pero napulot ni Wilson. Wala pa rin. Sorry miss there from Willie Wilson. Chance here for Alaska to stop the bleeding. 13 on their shot clock. They go to Gabby Espinas. Back to Baguio. Baguio. Matatawagan ng offensive foul. At sinong dumipensa? Willie Wilson na naman. Alaska ng first half. Kinito dito sa third. Parang bula, no? Biglang nawala.
Well, 5 turnovers against Alaska sa quarter na to as against 0 for Barangay Ginebra. Malaking bagay yun.
Alamin natin ano nasagap ni Sel Guevara sa kampo ng Alaska Aces. Lalamyan ng konti, aarangkada ng konti.
Well, actually, nabigla ang Alaska because tumindi yung depensa ng Ginebra. So they got used to Ginebra not playing tough defense in first half. So a little bit of an adjustment on their part. But, you know, give it to Coach Luigi Trillo. I think, first of all, he's very, very capable. He certainly deserves to be the head coach of Alaska. And you got to give him time, though, because he's a new coach, and there are new players. You see Enrico Villanueva scoring inside.
Si Rico Villanueva, sabi niya wala nang time. Kailangan namin humabol dito. They're down by 1 again, 57-56.
Alam mo, I can't forget, no, noong 1999, nakasama ko si Luigi Trillo. He was an assistant coach to George Gallen in an all-star high school Philippine team that played. Team included James Yap, Paul Artadi, sina Ray Mendoza, kasama dyan sa team na yun. Eric Arejola, also on that team.
Ang ating defensive player of the quarter, Cedric Bozeman. At ito po ang ating Electrogen D+, defensive player of the quarter. Dito po sa inyo ng Electrogen D+, depensa sa anumang panahon. At yan ang nagpahabol dito sa Barangay Ginebra ang kanilang defense. At ito, anduman sa bola. Jump ball po ang resulta sa pagitan ni Canaleta at ni Gabby Espinas.
The hustle there in the part of KG. Ito talagang...
Ano ba yung bola dyan?
yan, yung ulo yata nasuot dun eh. Nasama sa bola. Yun.
Dalawa yung inagip dito ni Canaleta.
Oo.
Ang mga kalbo talaga na pagkakama na kami yung bola kung minsan. 58-56. Chance here for Ginebra to tie. At yun na ang ginawa ni Enrico Villanueva.
Well, Villanueva, he's getting the jump on Sam Eman.
Second deadlock of the ball game pa lang po yan. Unang deadlock natin.
So, siya po yung nakausap natin kanina, si Cyrus Baguio, mintes sa kanyang first opportunity.
Alam mo, Kinito, simula nung 6:22 mark, ang naitatala pa lang dito ng Alaska, 5 puntos pa lang. Make that 6 points. So what you mentioned earlier, nagulantang sila no, dun sa ina-adjust na depensa ng Barangay Ginebra.
And just a 1-point lead now. And let's see what they go to Enrico Villanueva again.
Canaleta against Espinas. 15 on their shot clock. Canaleta, fadeaway jumper. Pasok po dito ang Canaleta. Lamang na po ang Barangay Ginebra, 60-59.
And going to that mismatch again at the post. Kayang-kaya ni Canaleta. Sandali, sino yun? Bagsak.
Rico Meyerhofer, Gabby Espinas, pero nagtulungan naman yung dalawa agad.
The game. And here we go again with Villanueva. Kita mo, the way he moved that ball from right hand to left in getting...
Bueno. 62-61, 8 puntos para kay Rico Villanueva. Meantime, Tenorio has the leather, 9 to shoot for Alaska. They're down by 1 point.
You notice that LA Tenorio has not scored a single point since the first period. And he still is not able to score. That was a good tap in by Gabby Espinas.
Balik muli sa Alaska ang kalamangan, 63-62. Siso battle po tayo dito sa end portion ng third quarter. Cortez against Tenorio. 10 on their shot clock. They go to Bozeman. Bozeman, umatake, binitawan, pasok for Cedric Bozeman. At bibisita pa siya sa foul line for a bonus shot.
Yan ang favorite move ni Bozeman. Attacking from the outside. He can put the ball on the floor. You watch him right here. That's an explosive first step.
So mahirap na tira yan, yung layup na gumagalaw ka in mid-air, mahulog ka.
At saka meron length eh. So he's able to get that extension. Tapos maipapasok niya yung bola on the move, on the fly. And looks like a 2-point lead now for Barangay Ginebra.
65-63, 15 puntos para dito kay Cedric Bozeman. Yung ikinalam niya ng laro ng Ginebra no first quarter, opposite po dito sa third. Tenorio, using the left hand, pasok for LA Tenorio, 5 puntos pa lang, 14 1 second to go. At hindi aabot ang tira ni Bozeman. But Ginebra catching up with Alaska dito sa third. Tabla po tayo. Third deadlock of the ball game behind the 8 points of